there, most welcome to the new video. Today we are talking about how to create such a logo in MS Word program. So let's guys to start. First you have to click on insert menu. After this you have to click in there is word art. You should select a style here. I want to select this one. Then you should select here. I want to go to insert tab, then click on that and just I want to assemble, for example this one, and again I want it 2 times to insert a second sign or symbol. Then I want to write something like here, just I want to make so here I want to add symbols again, click and again click on the symbol, then insert it, then enter, and I want to write here in the middle, I want to write down like this one, the air, and also you can write here air or maybe something else, but down I want to write again. So you can write here in an English language, just I want to write this in Pashto. So I want to make it rotately. So just here you should select all of them. Control A, I selected. Then you have to go to the format. Then you should click in the effect, text effect. And also after this you have to go down, transform, then you have to select this one. This is a style. When you have applied that style, then you have to, it means rotate like this one. Like this. Now I wanna make a circle for this one, but just draw the circle like this one and go to the format, then fill, shape fill, and then no fill. And also I want to change the border, then you have to go to shape online and then you go to the words, then you have to change it. Okay, and after this move this on that one. So if it is, it means wide, then you have to fix it. And also next again I wanna make a copy or duplicate, Control D. When you duplicate, then you have to fix that, and so you have to, it means make it smaller like this one. Try to take or press the shape with yourself when you wanna press that one. So when you have done this one, you should go there outline, then you have to smaller, make it smaller like this one. And now it is a little bit, you have to trim more, it means to fix it. And I want to change the color of it, just select all, then you have to go there and change it is faint color like this one. And if you want to increase the size, then you have to click in this one. Then you can see, so here is something else, Zalan Nangarhar. So you have to, it means you want to include in this circle, you have to select again, the size is very high, then you have to small it, then you can see like this one. So again, if you want to change anything else like in here, but you can change right now, just I want to make it as a group. So you have to select this one, the next, when you select this one, then you have to press the control button, then you have to select the next circle. Then you should go on format, then you have to click on the group and then group. When you make it group, then you can duplicate. But if you want to take a duplicate, it is only empty. If you want to, it means in the copy these all, you have to make it like all of them. So this one and also this one and also this one. It means all of them you should select. The first you should select the text, then you should select the first circle and last circle, and then you can make a copy of that one. So you can select all of them. It means you have to make a group for that, then you can a copy of it.